Omron Evolv Wireless Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. This FDA-approved marvel features a cuff that automatically inflates to the correct pressure for each user, ensuring accurate readings. Say goodbye to manual pumps and hello to effortless monitoring. Plus, it seamlessly connects to your smartphone for data tracking and sharing with healthcare professionals. A&D Medical U, a 611 pbt upper arm blood pressure monitor. Affordable and accurate, this BP monitor boasts a large, easy-to-read display and 2 user memories. It also detects irregular heartbeats and offers Bluetooth connectivity for data tracking. A reliable choice for budget-conscious users seeking dependable readings. Blood glucose monitors. Abbott Freestyle Libre 3 sensor. This revolutionary CGMS features a tiny water-resistant sensor that sticks to your arm for up to 14 days. No more finger pricks. It continuously measures your glucose levels every 15 minutes and sends the data to your smartphone app, providing real-time insights and empowering you to manage your diabetes effectively. Dexcom G7 Sensor. Another CGMS favorite. The Dexcom G7 offers similar features to the Freestyle Libre 3, but with customizable alarms and alerts. It also integrates with certain insulin pumps for automated insulin delivery, making it a popular choice for those seeking advanced diabetes management. Masimo MightySat Pulse Oximeter. This compact and comfortable fingertip oximeter measures your blood oxygen saturation and pulse rate with clinical accuracy. It connects to your smartphone for data tracking and analysis, making it ideal for athletes, travelers, or anyone concerned about their oxygen levels. Contec CMS50D Plus Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. This budget-friendly option features a large, easy-to-read display and multiple pulse rate and oxygen saturation measurement modes. Reliable and affordable, it's a great choice for basic pulse oximetry needs. Withings Body Scan. This advanced smart scale goes beyond weight to measure your body composition, including muscle mass, fat percentage, and bone density. It syncs with your smartphone app for personalized insights and fitness tracking, helping you set and achieve your health goals. Renpho Bluetooth Smart Scale. This budget-friendly smart scale measures your weight, body fat percentage, and other metrics. It also syncs with various fitness apps for data tracking and goal setting, offering a great balance of features and affordability. Braun ThermoScan 7-ear thermometer. This fast and accurate thermometer takes your temperature in seconds by gently reading infrared heat from your eardrum. It features a memory function and is suitable for all ages, making it a popular choice for families. Non-contact forehead thermometers. Several high-quality options are available, like the Kinzai Quick Care or the Exergen Temporal Scanner. These thermometers measure your temperature from a distance, making them ideal for infants and toddlers or anyone who finds ear thermometers uncomfortable. Fitbit Sense 2 or Versa 4. These smartwatches not only track your steps and workouts, but also monitor your sleep stages, heart rate, and blood oxygen saturation during sleep. They even offer personalized sleep tracking goals and insights based on your unique sleep patterns. Great for active individuals who want a holistic view of their health and fitness. KardiaMobile 6L Lead EKG. This portable device lets you record a medical-grade electrocardiogram (ECG) in just 30 seconds at home. It then shares the data with your smartphone app, where you can analyze it yourself or share it with your doctor for professional interpretation. Perfect for anyone concerned about their heart health or experiencing irregular heartbeats. AliveCor KardiaMobile EKG. This smartphone-connected device records single lead EKGs and detects potential heart rhythm abnormalities like atrial fibrillation, AFib. It's compact and easy to use, making it ideal for regular heart rhythm monitoring and early detection of heart problems. Philips Lung Monitor. This portable spirometer measures your lung function by recording your breathing patterns. It's helpful for managing conditions like asthma or COPD and can be used at home or on the go. A valuable tool for monitoring lung health and tracking progress for those with respiratory conditions. MIR SpiroSmart. This Bluetooth-connected spirometer offers similar features to the Philips Lung Monitor and syncs with your smartphone app for data tracking and sharing with your doctor. It's a convenient option for those who want to easily monitor their lung function and share data with healthcare professionals. Omron NEB Elite Pro Portable Mesh Nebulizer. This compact and quiet nebulizer effectively delivers medication directly to your lungs in the form of a fine mist. It's ideal for individuals with asthma, COPD, or other respiratory conditions who require nebulizer treatments. Its portability and quiet operation make it perfect for travel or discreet use. Philips Pari C+ Reusable Mesh Nebulizer. This versatile nebulizer is compatible with a wide range of medications and features a durable, reusable mesh nebulizer chamber. It's a reliable option for those who require frequent nebulizer treatments and appreciate the cost-effectiveness of a reusable mesh chamber.